All right, guys, how you doing? This is Master Kelvin FX, Eldorado FX, as usual, with you guys, trying to bring you the best as possible of our forecast in gold in US30. But this time, guys, what we're going to do is just starting analyzing in lines, guys. That's what we're gonna do. Why we're starting that way? Because we want to see the real prices and we wanted to see zones that are really real for us, and then we can trade. Okay. Remember, this is not financial advice. This is only our views and our point of view regarding the market. The market condition can change anytime, any minute. So be aware of that. Okay. This is only suggestion. This is our view on in gold and what's the market we think the market is going to do. All right, for now, let's go straight into gold as usual. Our main one is gold. So we have a price here. So it's really interesting. This is the price I've been saying, guys, that we need to get a break to the upside to be able to say this is fly, this is going to fly. If we not, we're probably gonna have liquidity taken and then the price will drop. So as long as we remain below this price 2,672, we will see sellers coming in. Okay, and these are the prices that sellers are looking at, and we can say that is the zone. Basically, that is the zone that we can mark up, and then we will see, guys, when I change back to candles, what exactly is the look of it. Okay, but for now, let's see what's gonna happen. But this is the zone, which is 100 pips, the supply zone, and as you can see, I'm doing in lines this analysis, and then we're gonna change to what we call the candles, what people usually trade with, especially because those weird candles are always taking us out of the market when it goes in a spike up or a spike down. So let's see. We also see a really nice price that was broken to the upside, and that's why we're waiting for a probability according to these lines that we also see that liquidity was taken from after this price breakup. Okay, meaning that we might get our rejection. We already are on a sell. By the way, guys, if you want signals, remember to join us in our signal group. So just let us know if you want to learn trading as well. Let us know so we can talk to you. So this is what can happen, and the target could be this one first. Actually, this one first, 2,656 and 2,648, and degrading all the way to 2,607. Remember, these are the real prices in case that we get the bearish move. All right. This is what I would do in case I go in a bearish mode, which the market suggests that we're still very bullish, guys, but we never know. And this is also another target, and that we can see here, so 2,634. So if we see that, the market can move like that, and it can also go over here, at least to 79, even retest 80, and then drop, taking liquidity. All right. But even though, the only thing I would suggest to the sellers, if you are a seller and if you find confirmation, is to take an entry around here on a retest again, the 2,668, and have yourself above. All right, above like this, and that would be basically what you can do. All right, let's leave it that way to 75, and then targeting all these prices down here all the way to 7. That would be a real move if the market condition allow the sellers to come in. Okay, according to this analysis. And then for the buyers, we're gonna check what we can see. But now this is for the sellers in case you find confirmation on all this area. I'm still bullish on gold, but I'm always scalping now and there and now and then let's see. So sellers, check for confirmations. okay, from 2662 to 2672. All right, this will be the whole area to check for confirmations. And then this after that, what we have is our suggested entry. Okay, we suggest an entry at at 2668, and a retest of that area again, and let's see if we can get it. If not, it can be even higher. All right, 2672 will be a really secure price to trade. So better price to trade, better price to enter 2672 in that case, even though if it can fly more, but it's more probability if you get in there. Remember, trading is about probabilities. Okay, and then we're gonna have a sell in this scenario 2675, and then the TPs all depends, guys, on you, but the TPs is starting from 2655, 2648, and then 2634, even though going to 2605. That would be the last TP actually. So first TP, we can say first TP actually. TP1, let's call it like that. TP1, 2648, and then TP2, 2605. Let's put it that way. All right, this is will be basically our suggested entry, and once again, entry price 2,668, and then we go to the take profit 2,605. That will be below the that price, and then and also retest 2,675 will be the SL. All right. This would be a nice setup in case sellers find confirmation around the confirmation area that we just gave you guys, a zone that we can basically see. All right, then buyers, buyers, where are we going now? So as we see, we can also see very nicely we have inverted head and shoulder. We can identify that in lines that we see here. That is an inverted head and shoulder. We can identify that, okay, very properly. Now, if we draw a trend line here, we will also notice that when I switch back to candles, there has been a breakout of the trend line, meaning that we can also find a buy entry around this area. Okay, what I would like to see for buyers is the price coming back down. So this is the sell area, sell setup. But if the buyers have to move on their favor, something that can happen is that you get the price down, and then you get a retest of this area, and then we can basically enter for buy on that area. It's a very big zone as well, and if it does the case, we can price can target the 2,700, even though the 3K that we've been dreaming of, but it will come one day. Okay, so 2,700 is the coordinates that we would like to target. Okay, so 2,700. Okay, even though, and then this would be the buy idea in case you guys want to engage on the buys and see if you find confirmations. But yeah, this would be a buy idea inside. So buy idea, and once again, so 2,650 will be the entry, and then we gonna have our SL, because in the case that we get retest the trend line, we get retest of the zone, we want to place the SL below the area. So 2,642 will be an 80 piece as SL, but I believe that I cannot, if you have nice confirmation about buying, so 2,700 would be the TP, and then 2,000 643 in this case will be the SL. All right, this is what we got here. This is a buy setup that we're suggesting on this zone. We're gonna type out the coordinates now so you guys know what exactly I mean. Buy, check for buy confirmation, buyers. All right, check for confirmations. From 2,650 steps to 2,648. That's the check that we want to do. Suggest the entry 2,650, TP 2,685 as a main TP, TP2 in this case 2,700, and then we have the standard TP 3K. That's basically for a screen that can take probably months to get there. But if we get that move that we missed actually from this level right here, previously, if you go and see, go and recap and see all the forecasts that we done here and see if you can find what we do here. Okay, so SL, we're gonna go with 2,643. Okay, so it will be 70 pips SL, but it will be worth it if this move comes. Okay, so now we have a view for the buyers, a view for the sellers. If it though the price, remember to always check the trend lines for confirmation. If we did see the price breaking out the trend line, just make sure that you are on the right side of the market. So as you can see, it's a big play that we have of this trend line right here, and that is why we're using this trend line probably as a trampoline for our in confirm that the price can keep going up to the upside. All right, let's see what happened in there. But for now, this is what we see. That was our lines analysis. So if you see the lines, we're doing everything right. It should be fine to check confirmation in the areas that we've been given. All right, guys, for recaps, go and check all our analysis. Won't even tell you. Today's move was also forecasted. The area was given. Every day we give nice areas and nice suggestion about the market. Okay, so sellers, buyers, all the best. You know, gold doesn't move in a straight line. So if you are scalping, scalp. If you are holding, hold. But try to hold, not losing positions, just winning positions. All right, guys, all the best in gold. That's what we can wish you. Remember to click the bell. Remember to always be in touch, guys. And if you want guide the signals, guys, remember, contact us. We can help you with guide the signals. Okay, our buy and sell goal is ready. So now we're jumping into US30. And US30, once again, I don't know what to say anymore because you guys seeing a 9 by 9 going, we go 9 by 9, showing you guys what we think. And basically those things happening. We remember the target, what it was. It hit the target, didn't even change the arrows. And then I suggested a buy from this area last night. But as you can see, here is a correction move now that we have in US30. So guys, if you've been buying and paying attention as well and selling, all the best for you guys. Let's do a little analysis in US30, even though we already forecasted so many moves from US30 that I hope that you, whoever trade US30, take it seriously and you guys are making the back. Okay, congratulations if you're making the back with us, and we just going to clean it. And let's go and see what US30 can give us. Once again, this is a very crucial area to check. The very crucial prices to check for confirmations and buy the dip, how they say it there. So if the price remains above 42,000, 20 and or 41,543, then sorry 843, then most likely that the price. So let's see if he filled the gap. If it doesn't fill the gap, what is going to happen is probably going to target this area here, and then you can think about buying from here. All right, so what you need to check is for that confirmation on these two areas for buys. Okay, that would be my suggestion in US30, guys. All right, just follow the flow. We see that the market is still very bullish, so we're gonna try in US30 to follow what it's doing, to follow the trend. Gold as well, it keeps flying, but we also expecting correction from gold. We have some structure, but it's looking like it's gonna break it to the upside. But we got a new all-time high on US30, which is really nice. So now the target would be a correction and then find buys in these two areas. So remember, if we will have a breakout like this, start breaking the areas. First breakout will be this one. Second breakout will be that one. So it will be a massive correction to the downside if we keep dropping. But if we see that the prices struggle to keep going down, then it's going to be going to find confirmation to find to buy from these areas. Okay, so this will be the first area we're gonna try to buy in case it gets there. But as you can see today, it failed to take out the previous daily low. Okay, so meaning that we also can see a move to the upside tomorrow and then a move to try go down and retest this area here. So if we see the struggle again and it's retesting and trying to, and it's not breaking, so then we're gonna try go again. The price is gonna try and create a new all-time high, even though it's from here, or remember from the previous area that we mentioned. So this other one. So you're gonna try to retest also that one and move to the upside. All right, most likely this is what we expecting in US30 to happen. All right, so for now, guys, just keep looking at the price action, keep following our recommendations. Remember, it's not financial advice, but we do our best to do the best analysis as possible every single day. Take care, guys, and see you next time. Master Kevin FX, Eldorado FX. Remember that we are sponsored by PU Prime and Vantage FX. Trade with us, guys, and thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.